I'm going to change this to volume control mode. And you'll notice that the pressure waveform is different. It goes up and then down. So if I had really, really sick lungs, this would max out. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give an extra bit of pressure to this bag, and you'll notice that it'll alarm, and it's just not giving adequate volume because the pressure limits are reached constantly. So it's got to 40, it's alarming, and it's capping it off. So I'm going to keep the resistance on this circuit, and we're delivering, say, 180 mils tidal volume. Now let's try the pressure control mode to see if we can get better with the same obstruction here. So 180 roughly, pressure control mode. Now notice that, again, I'm probably not going to get enough tidal volume. Let's give it a chance. It said 200 already, but let's give it a chance. So it's low. I've got low pressures there. So now I'm just going to increase it to 20. And I've got that waveform for the whole of the cycle. So I'm going to get better volumes. So already with just 20 of pressure, I've got 160. And now let's go to 30. Imagine sick lungs. I need to give really good pressure to get the maximum volume in. And you'll notice that now it's applying that pressure for the whole cycle. I'm already above 250. Sick lungs, pressure control, essentially you're tackling your major problem.